In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add arrows on your CapCut videos. So I have here a video on my timeline and I'd like to show some arrows on it. Now, the first thing you need to do is to come down here where you can see edit functions and so on. Then move these until you see an option called stickers, and we have stickers here. If we click on it, we can see quite a number of stickers that you can use or add on our CapCut videos. But from the look of things, arrows are not here. To find arrows, go ahead and slide this bar here, and now you can see we have arrows here. And from this, if you select it, we have quite a number of options that you can choose from, and you can see we have so many free options. So for instance, I can choose this, and now you see it has been added. So I can just go ahead and point it where I want it to be. For instance, I want it to be here. If I want to duplicate it so that they point to the two, I can just use this duplicate button, and now there are two, and then I can move it wherever I want. You can resize it using this option here to any shape that you wish, and you can also rotate it to any angle that you want. You can still go ahead and sample quite a number of them. You can see they are here, and you can choose just any as you wish. You can even choose this. If you select it, it will be added directly. You can also mirror this or flip this arrow as you wish. To do so, just click on it. You will see the mirror option here. And if we tap on it, it will change the direction completely. Look at that. Now it has changed. It has been mirrored. And if we play, now look at that. Now our top arrows have been animated. If you also want to animate this, just go ahead and click on it, and then choose the animate function that is here. So if I go ahead and choose animations, we can now choose the animation style that you want, such as bounce in, spring, fade in, and even mini zoom, just to mention but a few. There are quite a number of them. So if we go ahead and, for instance, choose this, slide right, and now see it will be applied. So once you are done, just click on this to add the animation. Now if you go ahead and play a video, now look at that, the animations have been added. So that's how you can add arrows and stickers on your CapCut videos using your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.